welcome to the city of Lagos. I am Timmy Williams, your property consultant and your best guide to all of your real estate investment journey. On today's episode, I will be taking you through a 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex with a BQ, a 4-bedroom fully detached duplex with a BQ, and a 4-bedroom terrace duplex located or sitting pretty in one of our prime locations in Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. Now, one of the 3 amazing things I love about this property is 1, proximity to all of your most desirable places in Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. From here to Lekki Phase 1 is less than 25 minutes. And trust me, to your Banana Island, to your Victoria Highland, the time frame isn't so much. Now, secondly, one of the things I also love about this property is affordability. There is nothing like you getting a property that is very affordable, in a prime location. And thirdly, you all always request you want a property that is spacious. Now, trust me, the developers heard your cry, and we made it our point of duty to make sure that it comes into a reality. This duplex I'm about to show you is really spacious. Now, without further ado, let's get right into the business of the day. Now, looking at this property, oh my goodness. Remember I talked about space? Yes, we mean business. Now, this outside can take about 3 cars, 3 saloon cars, if you know how to park like more. Just kidding. This parking space can take 2 SUVs conveniently, and you still have space to do whatever it is you want to do here. Now, looking at this beautiful, come on, imagine, just look at it. Simple, right? Simple. I like the blend of white and also the blend of brown, wooden brown. Isn't that amazing? Now, come on, let's check this out. Isn't this spacious? Now, the thing I love about this living area is it's very spacious. You have a pot to put in your dining set. You can see it's and a beautiful chandelier. You have one here for your dining set, and you have one here for the living room itself. And we also have inbuilt speakers. Now, remember what I always say, I cannot overemphasize it. Making use of your staircase, under the staircase, please don't leave it to waste. You could use it for either a winery, a wine bar, or shelf, whatever it is that you can make out of this, you can use it. Make sure you do not, I repeat, leave this place to waste. Now, from this beautiful, spacious living room, where I will be taking you into is my next favorite place in the house. Come, let's check it out. A kitchen without food. Like this. You have an oven in your kitchen. You tend to bake all those wood pies, meat pies, steaks. You know what I mean, right? Now, this is the kitchen. This kitchen is decorated with your electric oven, decorated with your microwave. You have your gas burner, your heat extractor, and you have this wonderful island that has a very, very strong house support. And you have a dual sink with loads and loads of cabinetry. And you also have a pot where you can put your washing machine. And you also have all storage spaces here. So having this kitchen, you can see it's spacious. And the island is also movable. You have the lights in short. This is one kitchen you do not want to leave out. Now let's check out on the other bit. Oh, unless I forgot, you also have a space where you can put in your rice, yam. You know what? You understand? You feeling me, right? So let's check out the other spaces in the house. Come along with me. Come with me. Come on. So right before we go upstairs to show you the master's bedroom, I just wanted to show you the visitor room. Spacious and you like it. So I leave you to check it out while you make me upstairs. Now in every room, there are three spaces I love so much: the kitchen, the master's bedroom, and the family's lounge. Now, one of the reasons I love the family's lounge is because it's not always so massive. I mean the space, unlike the living area, just something very cozy where the family could just, stay and bond. Even if there are issues, you're quarreling and all that, with a little space, you can't help but settle, right? I'm sure you must be wondering where it's coming from, right? The master bedroom has a balcony. Now you can, relax there at night with that special someone of yours and have a quiet time, have a peaceful time, enjoy the fresh air. Now this is the master's bedroom, very, very spacious. Now it has an inbuilt speaker. I love the lighting features. Simple, not much serere. I'm sure you must be wondering what serere means. It means no much, nothing extra, simple and beautiful. Now this is the walk-in closet. Very spacious. You have loads and loads of cabinetries. So many spaces, so there's no need to quarrel or I have this to myself. There's enough cabinetry. So here we have a bathtub. And we have a walk-in shower where you can always express your feelings, as I always say. And you have a floating vanity. I love this thing. It's really nice. And of course, now you don't be at my mirror. We have the mirror here. It's beautiful. Now, this 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex is on the market for 85 million naira. Now, remember I said I have a whole lot to show you. So let's go and see the other duplexes that I promised to show you. Come right with me. What you're seeing to my right and to my left are the 4-bedroom terrace duplexes I told you I was going to be showing you. Now, each of these duplexes can take 2 cars conveniently, 2 SUVs conveniently, and say 2.5 saloon cars. Of course, there's no half car. So you can take 2 cars conveniently. And the living area is spacious. You also have a pot for the dining set. You could do a dining set for a family of 6, a family of 4. Depends entirely on what you want. And remember, like I always say, make use of the under staircase. Don't leave it to waste. Now we also have the kitchen with loads of cabinetries. Oh my goodness, you have the washing machine pot where you could put your washing machine. You have your heat extractor, you have your microwave, you have your oven, which is one of the favorite things I love in a kitchen because you can bake a storm, your cake, your cookies, you name it. Now, walking upstairs, we have the family's lounge, which, like I always said, is one of my favorite places in every home. You have 3 rooms upstairs, second, third, and the master's bedroom. My goodness, the master's bedroom is spacious, and you only have a walk-in shower. This property, one of the properties that you do not want to miss out on. It's spacious. Remember I told you something about space? I said yes, space is one of the things we looked out for. You've been requesting for a spacious duplex, a spacious apartment, spacious duplexes, and we have given it to you. And they are located in a location where you can make good rental value. Now, the yearly rental income for the 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex is between 3.5 million naira to 4 million naira, while the terrace is between 2.5 to 3 million naira. Now, in some cases, it can go as far as 3.5 million naira, but it's usually 2.5 million naira to 3 million naira, while the fully detached duplex can go for as high as 4 million to 4.5 million naira. I'm sure you must be wondering, what about Airbnb? Now, you make more money from the yearly rental income because this location is not too good of a location for Airbnb currently. Probably in the next 2 years, when our regional road is fully done, then you can make good and mouth-watery income from it through Airbnb. Now, like I said, this location is amazing. It's one of the places that you would want to stay because it's our prime location. It's one of our prime locations in Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. So you feel me now, right? So your yearly rental income is an excellent investment option for this location and this property. That's if you do not want it for your personal use, like you staying with your family. Now here, our 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex with a BQ is in the market for 85 million naira, and the 4-bedroom fully detached duplex is also going for 100 million, while our 4-bedroom terrace duplex is in the market for 60 million naira. Now, you do not want to relax with this one. We have a lot of units that have been sold. We just have few units available. You can see sold. That's our favorite name. We have a pool, we have a gym upstairs, and this is going to be a fully serviced estate where you have 24-hour power supply, 24-hour security. In fact, you would love it here. Now, if you're just joining us for the very first time, you are welcome to the amazing Smart Investors family. Now, all I need you to do, if you've not subscribed, click on that subscribe button. Yes, you looking at me. Click on that subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell. Yes, that bell you're seeing there. Now, click it. That's good. And you know the way we do it. Smash on the like button. Now, I am the Hrs Williams. I'm your property consultant and your best guide to all of your real estate investment journey. Now, all I need you to do is to keep or stay informed always and stay glued to this channel. I mean, what is there not to love, or what is there not to stay glued about this channel? Until I come your way, do have an amazing day. Yeah.